Hello, guys. Welcome back to SMC Tutor. And today's lesson, we would be looking on how to use mini applications on Farcaster, which is one of the most rapidly growing decentralized social systems. And if you find our content helpful, do well to buy our educational token Wiki Cat. It is built on the Binance Smart Chain, and the contract address is in the description of this video. Let's get straight to our tutorial video. So we've had several videos on Farcaster, like how to get positioned for the Farcaster airdrop, or even how to get started. But today we would look at the mini apps on Farcaster. All you need to do is download your Farcaster from your app store or your Google Play Store for Android users, and you could watch on the video how to get started on Forecaster or how to get positioned, and you'd get to see how to set up your Forecaster account. But all I need to do now is just click on my Forecaster. It's already set up. And mini apps are also called frames, and they are interactive apps built directly inside Forecaster post. You could see just scrolling through here, you could see DWR good mini app. So what these mini apps let you do is to mint NFTs, swap tokens, vote on governance, play simple on-chain games, and claim airdrop points slash experience, that's XP, all without leaving the Farcaster application. So before all of this is just to get your account ready and have your wallet connected. This is the wallet option. I have my wallet here. I'm connected to my forecaster directly, then have some base, some Ethereum on base for gas, even very small amount. I have about $0.07 worth of it. And now let's go how to access your mini apps. You just scroll on your feed, and over here you could see your mini applications. Now there are a lot of mini applications here. We have like the Bookie, we have HarmonyBot, Clanker, Emerge, QALF, CasterPro, Eggs, Product Clank, and a lot of these guys. So let's see, you see a frame that says mint an NFT, like this frame over here from DWR. You just tap the button, mint yours, and the mini app expands inside your post. You could see it's by HarmonyBot, all right, and it will request your wallet confirmation. You could see this Waplet minting is paused until tomorrow. Let's try something else directly from probably the mini apps in here. Let's say to mint any NFT. Let me look for one that you could mint an NFT. Bet or mint. Okay, so I get to mint an NFT here. All right, this is more like a game, and you just click on get started and see the requirement and how to get started on this. But yeah, it's not about minting. So let's look up on something that you would be required to mint. I could maybe scroll up on my feed to check up something, because I really do not have any custom thing to mint at the moment. But yeah, from your feed you could get to find them out. All right, so this is 8386. I just minted my Waplet. Let's try. Oh, this is the same Waplet where it's paused till tomorrow. So all right, so I could just check for here mint, maybe search for something to mint, and look for, this is still Waplet. Become an OG. The frame has been deprecated. Let's look for something. I think it's just a Waplet, going up. So first, all right, let's try this. Okay, so this is it. Faces on Farcaster, an on-chain art collection, and mint phase is 2 is open. So I could click on mint. Insufficient balance. I need this amount, or about 0.5 USDC worth of it. But yeah, you get the point here. So all you just need to do is get your gas fee, and when you get to mint, the NFT is minted directly, instantly onto your wallet, and a success screen will show that this has been minted successfully. I do not have gas fee for now, and yeah, that's it basically. So there are different kind of mini apps you could look out for, particularly the ones you could mint NFTs, predictions platform where you have on-chain votes, referrals, and quest wallet actions as you could swap, stake, and bridge. And you could see all of them here. You have the gaming part of the mini apps. You have the social part of the mini apps. That's for engagement rewards. It helps you, like the noise app over here. Then you have the finance part, and you have the art and the utility. So it's amazing, and you could use this to could use mini apps for to positions for airdrops, because some mini apps are hidden XP engine in your forecaster journey. Okay, so you could mint POAP NFTs. You could try new frames when they launch. Use mini apps daily. Have a track record of using mini apps daily and interact with base frame decentralized applications. Okay, so now there are top frames developers which you could follow. We have the Zora. Zora is one of the top guys over here. So you could search on here, click on your search, and go over here to Zora, and you could see Zora over here. They have a lot of things in stock, and you have the Warpcast native mini app team, and they often drop early frames that you could have for eligibility proofs. So this is all for how to use mini apps on Farcaster. If you find this video helpful, do well to like, subscribe, and place a comment here, and share this tutorial videos to as many persons as possible. Bye for now.